Introduction to SQL. I hope we now understand about database models which we have discussed earlier. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the tool which is used to communicate with the Oracle database. SQL is the main language which is used in all databases to create the database and access data from the database. Here we are going to discuss SQL. Before getting into SQL, let's find out what SQL is. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a non-procedural language used to access and manipulate databases. With SQL, we can say, what do we want from the database? I hope this definition gives you an idea about SQL. Next, we will see the meaning of the word query. A query is a question we ask the database. If the asked data is in the database, then SQL retrieves it. Here we will see the various components of SQL. SQL components are sublanguages in SQL to create, modify, maintain, and provide security to the database. They are divided into 6 sublanguages, which are Data Query Language, DQL, Data Definition Language, DDL, Data Manipulation Language, DML, Transactional Control Language, TCL, Data Control Language, DCL, and Data Administration Commands. In the upcoming lessons, we will discuss these languages in detail. Now we are going to see how the SQL statement communicates with the Oracle database. Look at this picture. Generally, in a database, SQL statements are given from the SQL prompt and are transferred to the Oracle server. Oracle server executes the SQL command and extracts the data from the database and sends the results back to the user. I hope we all understand the basic concepts of SQL and the different types of SQL commands. There are different standards of SQL which are released over the years. Oracle 10G supports ANSI ISO SQL 1999 standard. In the upcoming lessons, we will see the sublanguages of SQL in detail.